Hello everyone, today in this video we'll fight against the unmasked character of our world around us, and today we will talk about artificial intelligence. One of my friends asked me a question, what do you think about artificial intelligence? So let's start answering. First of all, it's one of the many tools we have access to. And tools cannot be worshipped, because then we don't use them, we worship them. Tools have to be used, but they have to be used wisely. For instance, when we use this algorithm like ChatGPT, artificial intelligence, it gives us some product, text. We should read it and check if it makes sense, and correct if needed. In most cases, we would have to introduce some corrections to make it appropriate to our goals. It's normal, of course, when the database of similar documents like some applications, like some reference letters and so on, when the database of the documents is large, the product offered to us by this artificial intelligence algorithm will be of higher quality. So one can say, the higher number of similar documents in a database, the best results we get from the artificial intelligence algorithm. This is clear. The more the better. But if we have a task for artificial intelligence which is not very well represented in the database, this what we get out of it is of the highly doubtful quality. That is why we don't need so much artificial intelligence in our life. We need natural intelligence, so NI, and experience. And when we connect NI, natural intelligence, with AI, artificial intelligence, and experience, then we get beautiful results. And only in this combination, AI can increase effectively our results and our capacity, our yield in our work. Yes, and nowadays we have to realize that AI is over advertised. There are many promises like AI will increase our GDP, AI will create new working places, AI will increase our living standards, and so on. Everything will be solved allegedly by AI. A new Messiah who will solve our all problems and take us to paradise. Wait. Of course, we know that it doesn't work like this. AI didn't bring us these profits. They are still promised. There are still promises. We don't see them materialized yet. Maybe they will materialize, maybe not. But we see that there are already drawbacks of the AI usage on a large scale. Young people are getting more lazy. They do not want to do their homeworks on their own. They are getting more and more anxieties, and they are always looking for more and more shortcuts, and they are asking for quick solutions, quicker and quicker. If something requires some effort and requires some risk to be done, they do not want to do it. So we see very large problems, we see very large issues generated already by AI, but we don't see these promised profits that were supposed to come with this. So after introduction of AI on a massive scale, we see already problems I mentioned, especially with young people, but we don't see these profits that were supposed to come with AI. I don't know how it will go. Maybe some profits will appear, but as of now, I see mainly losses, but I don't see profits in the usage of AI on a large scale. So, as of now, it's over-advertised bubble that brings harm to us, especially to young people, but profits are not seen yet. We should observe it carefully. And of course, as I said, this is a tool. All tools should be used, but it should be used wisely. All the best. Have a nice day. Bye.